Hi, this video is about the Caribou Mathematics Contest. I'm going to show the solution for the May 2014 Grade 5-6 Contest, question 14, which also came up in the Grade 7-8 and 9-10 contests. Now the question is, what is the value of the heart if each row and each column has the total shown on the chart above? Alright, now let's look at this diagram shown. We can see that the three symbols used are the heart, the sun, and the pair of music notes. Now what we would usually do is we would replace these three symbols with three different variables, like for example A, B, and C, and then we would form equations, like for example using the first row, A plus B plus C is equal to 12. But now we can see that we have three unknowns for 6 conditions, 3 rows and 3 columns, which gives us plenty of conditions to work with. So in this problem, we will choose a pair of either 2 rows or 2 columns, or a row and a column with similar content. Alright, now for example, let's look at row 1 and row 3. We can see that the similarities are they both have a pair of music notes and they both have a sun. And then the only difference is here's a sun and here's a pair of music notes, and the difference in the sums are just 1. And since this sum of this row is 1 greater, we know that the sun must be 1 greater than the heart. Therefore, we will rewrite the sun in terms of the heart. So we have the heart plus 1 is equal to the sun. Okay. Now let's look at column 1 and column 2. And again, we have several similarities, which are they both have a sun and they both have a heart. And now the only difference is here is a pair of music notes, and here is a sun. And the difference in the sums is 1. And here it shows that this sum is 1 greater than this sum, which means that the pair of music notes must be 1 greater than the sun. Therefore, we can rewrite the pair of music notes in terms of the sun. Okay, now let's look at the top equation. We have the heart plus the sun plus the pair of music notes. And what is good is that now we can find the value of the heart because we can rewrite the sun in terms of the heart and the pair of music notes in terms of the heart. Alright, now we have the heart. Then we have plus, and we know that the sun is a heart plus 1. And we know that the pair of music notes is 1 greater than the sun, which is 1 greater than the heart. Therefore, the sun is the heart plus 2, because 1 plus 1. And this is equal to 12. Okay, now adding up the hearts, we have 3 hearts, and this is equal to, well, actually we have the 3 hearts plus 3, because plus 1 plus 2, and this is equal to 12. And now we only want the hearts on one side, so we will subtract the 3 from both sides. -12 - 3 is 9. Now, since we only want the heart, we will divide both sides by 3, and we will obtain the heart is equal to 3. Now we know that the only value that the heart can be is 3. But to check really if these 3 values are a correct solution for this problem, we would have to substitute those values into all 6 conditions to see if they really are true. But for our case, I will just substitute in those values for one other condition. So we will use, let's say, row 2. So we would have 5 plus 3 plus 3 is 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. And that's what it shows. If you'd like to know more about this contest, please feel free to visit our website at cariboutest.com.